Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to SONY Xperia XA2. You need to begin by going into Play Store on both smartphones and installing free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both smartphones. Begin by tapping on I agree. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to, then close it by hitting OK. Finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive next to Send at the bottom of SONY. You need to stick around on your SONY to apply the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to an Android device. You can finally tap on all of those categories located at the top. Choose all of your files from all of them. And when you finished, tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom. I will go with just a couple of photos, I have to click on them. And click on Send then. Now tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. In order to scan this QR code, tap on this scanning icon below is User Guide and tap on Allow in the pop-up. Lastly, point your device's camera at the code to connect. You can also input this key instead by clicking on Input Key section, typing in all of those numbers in correct order, and then finally clicking on Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!